This is Fast on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, today, 27th of August 2025, Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong finally filed his nomination with a new patriotic party. Guys, today, Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong and his team went to the NPP headquarters to file for his nomination. Guys, there's a lot to be unraveled tonight. And it's so funny that Kennedy had to mobilize Goro boys, had to mobilize Okada boys from Madina to go and embarrass himself. At the NPP headquarters. Guys, aside that, there has been some shenanigans. He addressed the media and the people and spoke about unity. Unity, unity, unity.
Committee members, myself and my team are happy to be here this afternoon to submit our forms. I want to say a big thank you. I know the crowd is too much and the place is not full. I kindly accept my apology. All I want to say is we are one party and we need unity in this party. And if there will be unity, there should be fairness. So I'm entreating the election committee, the national executives, regional constituency executives, that we should be fair to all the candidates so that we have smooth elections. And if there's fairness, definitely there will be unity. So I'm only asking for unity in this party. It's very paramount. I always say that without the unity, none of the candidates can win the election alone. And if we get unity, it will first, charity begins at home. The national executives that are in charge of the party, the elections committee, regional constituency executives, and the aspirants themselves. When we all come together and understand each other, I believe we can make progress. So I'm entreating each and everyone in the party to accept everybody's opinion and let's go ahead with whatever we are doing without backstabbing people and all that. It will not help the party. So I will not say much. All I'm saying is I'm entreating you to ensure fairness so that there will be peace and unity in the party. And if there's unity and peace in the party, we will definitely win 2028 election. Sure. Thank you.
Meanwhile, Kojo Party is always the PRO or the spokesperson of Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong's camp is always attacking Bawumia. If you're calling for unity, why don't you put your campaign team in check? I find this irony quite ridiculous. I do not know what you think about it, but guys, have a look.
Domama ba nanu ya, right? While Dr. Bawumia Samangasa oyede okayo. Domama ba nanu ya. Ofiriwa na another Lord Nasaba. I mean, one of some kind of liberty on one for Ghana for someone new. So during the premise, or can say not na by better day, and I mean, Sebu, I don't know how for could be, not half a day, I could be, half for could be, not half for could be. You mean the moon say it will be very tough for another Northerner to replace a Northerner. So one more now, science and maybe no more can say. President Akufo-Addo free Eastern region to Brian Champo in Timide in free home. Going by the same logic, not na kwase not na 20 million emba. But ni nyina no say party for na be dey ebe party for no who be obetime dey ewini. Party for ni po bi a Ghana for dey ejini die. Party for ni obi a oton na dey yeto. Any obi a people don't trust him, people feel say you know because then na enipa be 26 jan na Dr. Bawumia himself even affirm some system.
Like I said. Now, after the engagement, Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong went outside the party headquarters to speak to his people.
to rhetorics. We want somebody who can create businesses for the youth of this country. I always say that any human being without a job has no life. Do you want life? Do you want life? Then go to the Agyapong for life.
People just watch some shenanigans out there. Imagine
no size. You know, any fish I have, you be a simple for Ghana, and yet your mother, you to the Aquadabo, to say a jabby, you're probably getting your point 104 247. You don't fear you, you don't fear them, they just stay in emotion. Oh, Rudy.
NPP sympathizers saying Eyezu. My goodness. Wow.
No size. You know, any fish I have, you be a simple for Ghana, and yet your mother, you to the Aquadabo, to say a jabby, you're probably getting your point 104 247. You don't fear you, you don't fear them, they just stay in emotion. Oh, Rudy.